Yo, what's up? We got the new Opteka shotgun stereo condenser mic here, and we figured we'd give it a little test today. Let me just put it on. We got the wind filter on there. We got it on the flat line, not high pass, and on -10 dB. So we're gonna see how that sounds going down this hill. See how good this wind filter works.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. On your left.
So as you can see, you can hear my voice pretty well. We're going about, 17 miles an hour right now, and you're not getting too much wind noise. Alright, that's the Opteka shotgun stereo condenser mic. If you got any questions about it, hit me up on Twitter @StevesDiaz or Facebook.com/StevenDiazProductions.